right, so I got x plus 2, x to the 5th, plus 0x to the 4th, minus x to the 3rd, minus 2x squared, plus 2x minus 3, correct?
That seems about right.
So now I'm going to follow the pattern since I think I saw...
Wait, it's minus x to the... Wait, oh, JK. Plus 0x to the 4.
So, since I think I saw somebody trying the problem that may not have gotten very far in it. Very Diana. So you did x to the 4th. So we go x to the 4th. Excellent choice. I'd put it right here. It doesn't really matter where you put it. X to the 4th times x. X to the 5th. But I still have to do it to this too as well because I'm dividing out the 2 as well. So that's plus 2x to the 4th. Put my line down here. What else do I immediately do? Change the signs. I forget to change the signs. I will find myself in deep trouble very fast. So I get negative 2x to the 4th. Bring down the next thing. Negative x to the 3rd.
Wait, it's... Okay. No, it's positive.
Good so far? Have a nice time, everybody. Make sure you clear that to the office. All right. So then what times x gives me negative 2x to the 4th? Negative 2x to the 3rd. So then I go back this way. Since I already did this, it should work out. Probably not a bad thing to just check to make sure it works out that way.
But wouldn't that make it?
So negative 2x to the 3rd times x is negative 2x to the 4th.
That would be negative 4. Or 4. Right? It's 2 times 2.
Why would I do 2 times? I haven't done that part yet. So then the second part, I'm going to do this. Negative 2 times... So that gives me negative 4x to the 3rd. And then before I do anything else, I change the signs. That goes away. This gives me 3x to the 3rd. Bring down the next thing. Agreed? All right. What times x gives me 3x cubed? Plus 3x squared, right? Okay. So I got 3x cubed.
X. Why isn't it just x squared?
X squared times x is 3x cubed. Then 3x squared times 2 is plus 6x squared. Change the signs immediately. Negative 8x squareds. Bring down the next one. So negative 4, whoops, negative what? I want to make an 8x, right? Negative 8x. So it's going to be negative 8x squareds minus 16x. And before I do anything, change signs. Minus 3. Running out of colors. So 18 plus 18. 18 times x is 18x. 18 times 2 is good news, you have a calculator. If you had to, you'd use it. What's 8? 8 times 2 is 16. Carry the 1. 1 times 2 is 2. Plus 1 more would be 3. So that would be plus. Before I do anything, though, I change the signs. At negative 39. What times x gives me negative 39? Oh, that would do it, but oh, yeah, you're right.
Where's the
what?
So technically, if you look at the equation for number 2, wouldn't it be that whole thing, but only a -3 would get divided by x, since there's no parentheses.
Okay.
That is like
The way we're going to write it is the way it's on the bottom, but people freak out when I write it as a fraction. I can't do it because it's a fraction. So you're going to see the fraction.
I'm just making sure they're not wrong.
Yeah. All right. Go ahead and do number 3. Go. Okay, it's a fraction, so therefore you're same as dividing, right? Nothing changes.